I'm staring at my tax refund check, $2,147. It's like finding money in an old jacket, but it's not really found money, is it? It's just the government giving me back what's mine, and that's what I want to talk about today: what your tax refund actually means and why you should stop celebrating it. You're probably in a situation where you're getting a refund, and it feels like a bonus, like extra cash you can use to treat yourself. But let's break it down. If you're getting a refund, that means you've been overpaying your taxes all year. It's like lending the government money interest-free. For example, if you're getting a $2,147 refund, that's $179 per month that you could have been using to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in a high-yield savings account. I know someone who was celebrating their $5,000 tax refund last year. They were planning to use it to pay off some debt, but then they ended up using it to buy a new TV and take a vacation. Now, they're struggling to make ends meet because they didn't use that money wisely. It's like getting a windfall and then blowing it on something that's not going to improve your financial situation in the long run. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use your tax refund to actually improve your financial situation, rather than just using it as an excuse to splurge. You'll learn how to adjust your withholding so you're not overpaying your taxes, and how to use that extra money to build wealth. Let me give you an example. A friend of mine, who's a freelancer, was getting a huge tax refund every year. She was celebrating it, thinking it was free money, but then she realized she was essentially giving the government an interest-free loan. She adjusted her quarterly payments, and now she's using that money to invest in a Roth IRA. She's building wealth, and she's not stressing about taxes anymore. The key is to understand that your tax refund is not a gift, it's your money. You've earned it, and you should use it to improve your financial situation. So, instead of celebrating your tax refund, let's talk about how to use it to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in a high-yield savings account. For instance, if you're paying 18% interest on your credit card debt, and you get a $2,147 tax refund, you could use that money to pay off some of that debt. You'll save money on interest, and you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. Or, you could use it to build an emergency fund, so you're not stuck going further into debt when unexpected expenses come up. It's like having a choice: you can use your tax refund to indulge in something that's not going to last, or you can use it to build a better financial future. The decision is yours. So, what's your biggest debt right now? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single comment, and I want to help you create a plan to pay it off. If you know someone who's struggling with debt, send them this video. It might just be the wake-up call they need to start building wealth. If that just clicked for you, hit like. It tells me to keep making this kind of content. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to invest in crypto without losing your shirt. It's a topic that's been on everyone's mind lately, and I want to give you the lowdown on how to do it safely. You're not alone in this journey to financial freedom. Millions of people have figured it out, and you can too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's dive deeper into the numbers. According to the IRS, the average tax refund in 2022 was $2,913. That's a significant amount of money that could be used to make a real difference in your financial situation. But instead of using it to pay off debt or build an emergency fund, many people use it to splurge on things they don't need. For example, a survey by the National Retail Federation found that 39% of people plan to use their tax refund to pay for a vacation, while 24% plan to use it to buy a new TV or other electronics. Only 34% plan to use it to pay off debt, and just 16% plan to put it into savings. But what if you could use that money to make a real difference in your financial situation? Let's say you have $2,913 in credit card debt with an interest rate of 20%. If you use your tax refund to pay off that debt, you'll save $579 in interest over the next year. That's like getting a 20% return on your investment. Or, let's say you use your tax refund to build an emergency fund. According to a survey by Bankrate, 61% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency expense. If you use your tax refund to build an emergency fund, you'll be better prepared to handle unexpected expenses and avoid going further into debt. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I've been working hard all year, and I deserve to treat myself. And I get it. It's okay to celebrate your hard work and dedication. But the key is to do it in a way that doesn't set you back financially. For example, instead of using your tax refund to buy a new TV, why not use it to upgrade your skills or education? You could take an online course or attend a conference related to your industry. That way, you'll be investing in yourself and your future, rather than just buying something that will depreciate in value over time. Or, instead of using your tax refund to go on a lavish vacation, why not use it to take a staycation or a mini vacation? You could explore local attractions, try new restaurants, or take a weekend trip to a nearby city. That way, you'll still get to relax and recharge without breaking the bank. The point is, your tax refund is an opportunity to make a real difference in your financial situation. It's not just a windfall to be used for indulging in luxuries. It's a chance to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in yourself and your future. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. Take a close look at your finances and think about how you can use your tax refund to improve your financial situation. Make a plan to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in yourself and your future. And then, take action. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the freedom and security that comes with being in control of your finances. It's about being able to pursue your passions and live the life you want, without being held back by debt or financial stress. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to use our tax refunds wisely. Let's use them to build a better financial future, rather than just indulging in short-term pleasures. And let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. In the comments below, I want to hear from you. What's your plan for using your tax refund this year? Are you going to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in yourself and your future? Let's share our plans and support each other in our journey to financial freedom. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, please share it with them. Let's spread the word and help each other achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know in the comments below. Now, I want to share with you a real-life example of how someone used their tax refund to turn their financial situation around. Sarah, a single mom of two, was struggling to make ends meet. She was working 2 jobs and still barely had enough money to pay her bills. But when she got her tax refund, she used it to pay off her credit card debt and build an emergency fund. She was able to reduce her debt by $5,000 and build a $2,000 emergency fund. Now, she's able to breathe a little easier and focus on building a better financial future for herself and her family. That's the kind of impact that using your tax refund wisely can have. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and security that comes with being in control of your finances. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to use our tax refunds wisely. Let's use them to build a better financial future, rather than just indulging in short-term pleasures. And let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to create a budget that actually works for you. It's a topic that's essential for achieving financial freedom, and I want to give you the tips and strategies you need to create a budget that works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know in the comments below.